Hello from Slovenia again. I have some This Little Piggy pigments from Fluid Art Co. They released some beautiful new colors on Saturday. If you didn't check the first of our big collaboration with new piggies, that was aired yesterday and the day before, check it out. And I was thinking, I did all kinds of techniques with those piggies, but I never used them with a silicone oil for a flip cup. So today I will do that. I know it's hard with metallics. Sometimes they don't create nice cells, but I just thought I will give them a try. So I will use this new one, Echeveria, or oh, where is my camera? Here it is. And one of my favorites, Taffy and Lagoon, again my favorite, Lakeside, I love that too. Brulee, I love that one too. And Hammerhead, and Brulee and Hammerhead are new ones too. And I will use Lucas Payne's Gray for some, I don't know, hopefully for some creating some cells, because piggies are transparent and this is opaque color, so I will put some of this on the bottom and then I will layer my piggies. So Brulee, and I believe that this one is Lakeside. And Lagoon, sorry, I will add some Payne's Gray again. And I did use this Paint Art silicone oil, and I added just one drop for 3 ounces of paint. No, 2 drops for 3 ounces, because I just don't want a ton of cells, but hope for some. We will see. Maybe this will not work at all. But you know me, what I say a lot of times, if you don't try, you don't know. And I love to try new things for you, so maybe you don't need to waste all the good stuff if this maybe doesn't work as you expected or I expected. It is unpredictable. Fluid art is always unpredictable, but when you add silicone to your paints, you have some nice beautiful cells in your head normally, or just I do, I don't know. This green is just so beautiful. I love it. And this Hammerhead too. I don't know, I was not sure about this Hammerhead, but I want to see. Okay, we'll top it up with Payne's Gray and put my canvas back. Make sure that I'm in frame. And I will flip it over and wait for a second. And I will just thin down my Payne's Gray a little bit if I will have to add some on the sides or corners. I'm working on 10 by 14 inch canvas and I have, what is this in ounces? 10 ounces of paint, so it should be enough, but I like to have enough paint to stretch out when I do those flip cup pours. With all the pours I like to have enough paint that I can, you know, let's flip that. It is quite dark. But hopefully I can already see some cells. Just hoping for... I don't like this cell here, so I will just run my finger through here. Okay, and I will not just add some paint here. I will not torch right away. I will tilt it a little bit first. Okay, and now I will torch it, and I will try not to over torch it. It got a caterpillar already. Let's wait for a second. And I still don't like that part, so I will take a skewer and do some skewer swipe before I tilt this out more. So I don't like this part and this caterpillar, so I will basically try to go through here, kind of. I didn't do a great job with that. Okay, so let's see. will just torch it more because I want some more cells out. I just don't like these two parts. And this one here, I see some brulee here. I see some echeveria. So maybe I don't like this one here. Maybe I will do some glove dips on the parts that I don't like. You can use a balloon. I like to use gloves for dipping. So where I should start? This one that I don't like. So let's dip here. Nice one. I don't like that. So I'll dip here. And here. And here. And here. And here. So the first part I want to do so much. I'm not sure about this big cell here, but I will leave it for now. A little dip here. Another one here. Maybe I should use something else instead of gray. I thought I will need, I thought that I have like him, and then I realized that I have gray, but no, it is what it is. Just doing some finger dips on some places. Maybe my Payne's gray wasn't the best idea neither. No, I don't like that. I don't like to torch after I dip, and I did it, so I will just have to dip here again. And here again. Once more. Okay, do one more dip. Yeah, because now this part here starts to be really weird. It's kind of dark, but I hope that the piggies will show through and shine, and that they will add a little more brightness to the painting. So I will show you the dry result, because I believe that I don't even want to show you now, because I just want to show you when it will be dry, because I'm pretty sure that it will be gorgeous. So see you in a few days for me, and the second for you. Mera, say hi. So here is a dry result. I'm outside, hopefully to show you all the beauty of the piggies. The cells, I like the ones that I didn't stretch out as much, because I'm kind of fan of those, you know, little cells with some rings around. Look at this Echeveria, or I don't know if this is the right pronunciation. I think that I shouldn't have used that hammerhead in here because of the Payne's gray, and it kind of maybe a little too much. I don't know. This is a brulee, the iridescent copper, but otherwise it works. I will put the link how I mix my piggies for all the techniques that I use. This is the recipe that I use for flower dips, split cup pours, and now you do the flip cup pours with silicone oil. So I will say that I am happy. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.